Hello everyone. So it has been so long since I have made a video. I don't know why. I just kind of get into these funks where I'm just kind of like, the thought of making a YouTube video I just can't do it. Like, mentally can't do it. Like, I will think, oh, I'm gonna make a video today. I'm gonna go home from work and I'm gonna set up a camera and I'm gonna record this video, that video, and then I just get home and I'm just like, I just don't have the mental energy to do it, so I just don't do it. So yeah, it's been a long time since I have actually made a video. I've got loads of videos uploaded that I just either just don't have the energy to edit or publish, or I don't know, I just figure no one watches them anyway, so whatever. So yeah, I have a haul of things to show you today. I also have a new tattoo, which is this one, which is a Galarian Ponyta. It's very cute. It's still very, needs a bit of moisturiser on there at the minute. But yeah, done by the amazing Steph at Holy Ghost in Rotherham. Go and check her out. Go and get the tats by her because she is amazing, beautiful person, beautiful tattoos. Just, I love her so much. She's just perfection. So, my haul video. So I'm going to start with the stuff that I got from Primark first. I bought this bag for a start because I have like a denim, like a blue denim version of this, but then I saw this one and it's kind of like the acid wash grey kind of denim, and I like this a lot. I think I actually prefer this. It was like £3. I will use this bag as a normal bag. So yeah, that's that. And I got a bunch of stuff. And so I got two of these. These are the Nudes lip gloss kit, where you get a lip gloss, a lip liner, and a pencil sharpener. These are £3, but that lip gloss is my favourite lip gloss ever, I think. It's the Tease one. Let me make sure that I got the right one, because I know that there was two different kind of nudes, and I've had these before and I wasn't sure if I got the right one or not. Please be the right one. Yeah, that's the right one. So let me swatch it for you. It's such a nice colour. It's that one. Like, it's a really nice nude. It's not too much. These also, I think they're classed as, I don't know what they're classed as, but these do not feel sticky or anything like that. They last ages, and I love them. So I thought I would stock up while they still have them in stock. What else do I have? Bought some sugar-free polos. That's interesting, right? I got this, which is Cotton Candy Fragrance, I believe in Unicorns lip balm. This was like 60p, and it's a really cute little thing, and I need some lip gloss in my life right now. Then I got these. I got 4 lots of these. These are the Barefaced Beauty Argan Oil Facial Skin Wipes. These are my skin wipes of choice at the moment. Nothing beats these in my opinion. Like, no matter how much dark makeup you're wearing, these will get it off, and they're really, really moisturising. And I love these, and it's 2 of these packs for £1, so I got 4 lots. So another lot, and another lot, and another lot. So I got all those, and then I got a few other bits. I got the liquid concealer by My Perfect Colour, medium coverage. These are just like little GP concealers, because I am running out of my MAC Studio Fix Concealer, is that what it's called? I'm so out of touch with MAC at the moment, but I was running out of that, and I got this in the shade Porcelain. Let's see what that's like. Then they have this new collection, which is called Summer. I can't even read the font that it is. Summer Storm? I don't don't know. Does that say Summer Storm? Summer something or other. But this is a body glow. And I can't open it. I'm not going to attempt to with my nails. But this is just like a really, really nice kind of shimmery. It's very, very subtle. I like put some on my arms and it just made my tattoos glitter. And like in the light, it just made them sparkle. And I was like, I need to get one of those in my life. So that was £4. It's quite a big thing as well. So I was quite impressed with that. Also from the same collection, they have these which look like MAC. These are highlighters and they have 2 different shades, and I got both of them because I couldn't make my mind up which one I wanted. So let me get it open. This packaging is really nice because it's like marble effect. And this one is Breeze. So they kind of look like MAC mineralized skin finishers. Let me swatch that one for you. You see that one? Very subtle but very nice. And this one, take the packaging off. My nails do not like this kind of packaging. This one is called Cyclone. It must be Storm because Summer Storm, Cyclone, and this one's called Breeze, so it must say Storm. It really doesn't look like it says Storm, but apparently that's what it must be. And this is that one. They are very similar colours, not gonna lie. So there's both of them together. One is more of a rose gold, one is more of a just a normal peachy gold. Which one's which? Which one have I not swatched? Cyclone. This one is not quite as pigmented, I don't think. But there they are. So this one is Cyclone, this one is Breeze. So as you can see, they're kind of, one's a goldy colour, one is a more rose gold. I like them both, so that's why I bought both. So yeah, what else did I get? Did I get anything else from Primark? I didn't. So then we move on to, just push all those out of the way, to TK Maxx. And I got a few things from in here, a few things that were quite interesting. So, interesting thing number 1 is these. I have never seen shampoo that is specifically for black hair. So when I saw this, I saw the conditioner first, and then I was like, I hope they've got the shampoo, and they did. So I bought both of them. These are Revlon Colour Silk Bold Black, Colour Stay Moisturising Shampoo, and Colour Stay Nourishing Conditioner. Protects colour and provides shine. So these are really interesting. Formulated with rich black tones and acai berry. Colour Silk Bold Black Shampoo protects colour, provides shine and moisturises hair. Colour will not change your hair colour. So I thought these were really interesting, and I've never seen black shampoo. I've seen like shampoo for brown hair, blonde hair, all that stuff, and I've never seen black. So Bold Black, I'll give it a go. I think they also had one for brown hair while I was in there as well, but yeah. Next, I got Milk Makeup again. I'm shocked to see Milk Makeup in Primark, to be honest, but when I saw this I was like, yeah, I'm gonna buy that. I don't even know like how much this is worth, but I'm guessing it's probably worth more than $4.99, which is what I paid for it. This is a charcoal cleanser. A daily cleanser detoxifies, purifies and invigorates, made with charcoal from Umbame oak trees that absorbs oil and harmful toxins. So yeah, quite interesting. Oh my goodness, it's a big old thing. It's actually bigger than I was expecting it to be. So Milk Makeup charcoal cleanser. It has the closure on it, so it is brand new. Milk Makeup for $4.99. I think that's really good. I got a setting spray from there as well. I think that was like $6.99. Like a retail price, like 25 quid. I was like, yes. What else did I get? I got this, which is a really nice kind of shirt, blouse, whatever you want to call it. It's by Koko. Yeah, Koko. And it's just a really, really nice blouse. I wear these open, so like use them as a coverall. Roll up the sleeves and stuff, and yeah, it's a bit big. It's just like a couple of sizes too big, but I like them baggy, so yeah, I thought that was a bargain. That was $12.99. And yeah, it's this chiffon kind of material as well, which I'm a big fan of because it don't cling to nothing. So yeah, and dog hairs don't attach to it, so that's thumbs up. What else did I get? I got one more item, and it is an Anastasia Beverly Hills blush trio. Now I think that they had just like got a delivery of cosmetic items because none of them have been touched. Now if you've ever been to a TK Maxx, you will know that their makeup section is a free-for-all pretty much. Like you will go in and you'll be like, oh, I really fancy buying that, and then you'll look at it and it's like there's people's fingerprints in it, there's people spitting in it, there's no people spitting in it, but you know, like lip glosses have been used, eye products have been swatched and everything, and all that stuff that you don't want. So when I saw this, I was like, I'm gonna open it up, and I know that it's gonna be an absolute wreck, but I opened it up and it's like it's not been touched. So this was $9.99, and it is called Pool Party. Now I looked on All Beauty and they still sell this for £30, and it's just crazy. I love this packaging. Don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. There you go. How beautiful is that? That's gorgeous. And you open it up and it's still got the little cover thing on it, and here it is. They're the colours. They're beautiful and they have not been touched. I am such a big fan of these colours. They're just beautiful. So you've got kind of a peachy colour that kind of reminds me of like a matte Orgasm by NARS. It's like a pretty much identical shade. Then you've got a really nice sparkly pinky colour that reminds me a little bit of, oh, my god, it's been so long since I've been like a makeup guru. What colour is it? Like Multiple? Is it Multiple? Or is it Climax? It might be Climax by NARS. Another one by NARS. And then this is kind of a really nice kind of light toned brown that I could possibly use as like a contour colour. But these are really nice. I kind of don't want to put my fingers in them because they've like not been touched. Look, they're perfect. And to get something like this from TK Maxx that's not been touched, nobody's fingers have been in it. My fingers are going to be the first ones in there. But yeah, I am hella impressed with that. For $9.99, that's a beautiful little thing to have. And I thought that was a bargain. So that is everything I got from my haul today, and yeah, it's been a while since I have done a video and I feel really awkward and all that good stuff, but I'm gonna go now. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and all that good stuff, and I will see you all again hopefully very soon. Adios. Eek.